Morning traders, today is Wednesday, February 8th, 8:24 a.m., about 5 minutes before opening bell. I got a power outage over here, so I'm using my phone as a hotspot doing this right now. But anyways, here we go. So we are looking at I think we're going to do a wedge type of position today. So it's currently, high level strokes. The 1 hour RSI right now is down below in the lower 20s, mid 20s, 24. So to me, it's resetting. Okay, it's resetting. Look at the 1 hour MACD, starting to curl down, but still above the signal line and still above zero. Okay, so it's getting into that situation where it's like it needs to consolidate more before it starts to go up again. Okay, that's kind of what we're looking at right now. Okay, so it's the 1213 wick high is right here, that purple line. See that? And that's where the markets are right now, finding support on this blue trend line and near this pink line, which is the low for the extended hour pre-markets. Okay, and you'll see more details about that right here. Okay, so check this out. So here's the 1213 wick high on the purple line. It's also at the half channel line, and it's also at 30 SMA support, the gray line right here. Okay, but down here it's going to probably find support. There's a thick band of EMAs and SMAs right down in here, not to also exclude the gray channel bottom. So there's a lot of support down in here, but it seems like it's not going to go down here because this looks like it's consolidating under the SMA line. So I would look for this. If it starts immediately at opening bell, makes a beeline straight for 414, and it basically bypasses the EMA 50 line right here, if it just bypasses that and it just kind of keeps going up straight to 414, that means it's going to create a wedge. So you can expect it to find that thick resistance right at 414, and then it's going to come back down. So it's basically forming the top part of the wedge, and then it's going to find resistance and come down and create the bottom part of the wedge, maybe down at 412. So if it makes a beeline at 414 and bypasses EMA 50 altogether, you might scalp trade short it at 414 because it's going to come back down. Okay, if it doesn't even bother backtesting the EMA 50 red line right here, I'd scalp put it, right? Get some scalps, put it, because it's going to come back down because it's forming the top of the wedge, and then it's going to form the bottom of the wedge, and then it's going to chop around for a little bit, and then it's going to make a decision, which I think is probably going to be to the upside. But I think it's going to be some chop this morning, probably first part of the morning. Okay, so that's what I think we're at. I mean, here are your levels. I don't think we're going all the way down to 407. So, yeah, that's it. All right, I will talk to you on Twitter or on the market recap. Talk to you soon.